Hi, it's Deborah with Hail Recon. Today I want to review all the actions that can take place automatically when using an integration between Hail Recon and JobNimbus. On your screen, I have a mobile app loaded using an iPhone, and JobNimbus is loaded on the right. There are 8 different actions that can be accomplished with our integration. The first is adding a contact to JobNimbus from Hail Recon when a marker changes to a certain status that you've defined. For example, a lead. Now, JobNimbus requires a contact name, so I must make sure there's a primary contact name before changing the status to lead. Anything that I key in this contact information section will be pushed over to JobNimbus. Alright, I've saved the contact information. When this contact becomes a lead, then that lead gets pushed to JobNimbus. To change the status to lead, I will click the Edit at the top right corner. Then tap the lead status located under Canvassing. I'll add a quick note, then tap Save Note at the top right. Now let's see what happened on JobNimbus. I'll go to my contacts, and right here you can see I've got that new contact. Notice the sales rep is empty. If the sales rep on Hail Recon was exactly the same as a sales rep in JobNimbus, then you would see that update there as well. The second automation is when I take photos using Recon Pics, which is the camera button at the top center. Any photos are pushed to JobNimbus. I can also create Hail Impact reports and have them pushed to JobNimbus once I've locked the report. Once I've made my choices on the Hail Impact reports and have included any photos that I wish to include on the report, I can push the Hail Impact report by locking the report. This is basically like a save. I'm going to choose Lock Report. All right. So that was automatically pushed to JobNimbus. Let's check it out. There's the 3 photos. And under Documents, here's my Hail Impact report. The fourth automation is when we have monitored properties and those monitored properties are hit with the hail size that you've selected, that is pushed as a task to JobNimbus. It would look like this. So here is a hail detected at property, 1.75 inch hail detected at the property located at this address. So if I tap on this task, it'll take me to the contact and show me the task. The fifth action is creating a calendar event from a follow-up from Hail Recon. So a follow-up on Hail Recon is from a marker. So I'll open this marker, and up in the top right-hand corner we've got an Edit feature. I'm going to click Edit. And notice the follow-up toggle right here. So I'm going to add a follow-up to this one. So let's toggle that follow-up. I do want to add a note at the same time so that when I do see the calendar event, I see a note as well. So I'm going to tap in the note section, leave a note that says, all right, scroll up a little bit, and right in here, I'm going to choose who this is assigned to. If I tap there, any person that's on my team will be shown here. I'm going to just send it to myself and choose a date. Let's Let's make this on the 11th. And let's choose a time. How about 9 a.m.? Select that. And then also I want to choose a duration of just 30 minutes is good. So let's click select. And as soon as I save this note, it becomes a calendar event and it's pushed over to JobNimbus. Let's take a look. So on JobNimbus, I'm going to go back to the contacts. You know what? I could just go straight to the calendar. Let's tap on the calendar. And for the 11th, I have a meeting, so let's look there. Here's the note that I left, review inspection with client at on the 11th at 9 a.m. for 30 minutes. And there's my contact information. All right, the 6th action for integration is adding a marker to Hail Recon from JobNimbus and set it to monitor for future hail impacts. Let's do that. So I'm going to head back to my contacts. I'm just going to tap the back button and choose contacts. Then in the top right hand corner, I'm going to add a contact. Anything I add here that is also included on a marker will be pushed to Hail Recon. And by the way, anything that you place into this description field will be pushed to Hail Recon's marker. Let's say something like, this is a tile roof. All right, I will create the contact. Okay, so now let's go find Henrietta as a new contact in Hail Recon. So I'm going to tap back over on my mobile app. I'm going to hit the back button. So I'm going to refresh my data for the mobile app. I'm going to hit the refresh button. And then let's go find Henrietta. So I'm going to choose the menu and then find marker. And if I wanted to, I could just type Henrietta, but it is a recent event, so it should be the top of the list when I tap search. So I'm going to tap search first. Oh, and there she is. Let's take a look. I'm going to tap on it and open the marker. Okay, so let's look, see the comment here, the tile roof. And this other comment is the JobNimbus key. And I've got all of this information here. Let me tap on that primary contact. There you go, see? All right, let's hit the back button. And notice here that monitoring has been set to monitor for half-inch and greater hail. Now, because I am synced with JobNimbus, if I add a photo or hail impact report at this time, it will automatically push as well. The 7th integration action is when I change a status in JobNimbus, and as long as that status is the same type of status I have in Hail Recon, and I'm referring to the name of the status, also the case of the lettering. So let's change this status. Over in JobNimbus, I'm going to change status, and then let's change it to inspection. Now let's click over on my mobile app, and I'm going to hit the refresh button in the top left. There we go. There is the inspection status that I have in Hail Recon right there. And the very last integration action that's available is a way of connecting to the JobNimbus contact quickly. Let me show you this. I'm going to use the browser app and choose the search button from the toolbar, and let's search for that record we've been working on. Deb Smith, right here. I'm going to click there. And notice from a browser window, once the marker is opened, I have a JobNimbus section here. If I click on this link, it will open JobNimbus and show me the contact information. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We are always here, happy to help with any of your integration questions or questions that has to do with the mobile app or browser app. We truly appreciate your business. Give us a call if you need any help.